Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we create earn screen Hamster Kombat to Flutter. Now we create folder earn, then we add file earn screen.dart, then we create class earn screen, extends status widget, then we add method build, add constructor, then we write return scaffold, write background color, colors black, copy information, open main screen and add to navigation hot restart. Now we open emulator, open earn screen and add up bar. Then we write body, add content info, add context, then we add logo content info, then we write size box height 10, add const. Next we add title content info, this information we can download to description in the video. Then we write size box height 20, add const, then we add item earn content info, add information, then we add daily tasks content info, add context, save, then we add size box height 30, add const, and we add tasks list content info. Add context, save, This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.